Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It is a Bandit 1250 or a GSF 1250. Cracking bikes, an SA model. It's got ABS, it's got the lower kit on there as well, so the fenders all go all the way down. Mega bike, super fun, you know, great commuting bike, will do 1,000,000 miles if you look after it, super reliable. Yeah, really good bike. Finished off in black. This one's also got a lowering kit with it, so if it's just a little bit too high, the kit is with this bike and we can get that sorted for you. This one's a 2008 on an 08 plate. It's done 7,602 miles. It's done nothing. Top box on there to stick your fish and chips in. Mega bike, honestly. It's super clean. What would you expect from Jordanbikes anyway? Just show you the displays, super easy. Analog on the left and digital on the right. Going to give it a cheeky start up. You know what, not a bad sound from that original exhaust. However, if you do want to upgrade, then we also supply exhaust for this bike as well. The cameraman's just pointing at me. What am I saying, cameraman?
It's got 2 new tyres.
Oh, it absolutely has. And we've just put a fresh set of boots on it as well. Looks mega. Anyway guys, all you need to do to get this, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.